We were the children who trembled when the cane was raised, who learned that silence was respect and obedience was love. When we cried, they called it weakness. The generations before us, silent boomer Gen X, grew up under war and scarcity. They believed endurance was love. They passed on control instead of comfort, fear instead of faith. We inherited their silence, but not their blindness. We know now that what they called guidance was humiliation, that what they called discipline was violence dressed as virtue. We, the survivors, are the repair generation. We will not confuse obedience with virtue, nor trauma with tradition. Compassion before reaction, guidance without humiliation, boundaries without betrayal. One day, the church, the school, the state must confess. We thought control was holiness. We feared scandal more than suffering. And when that confession comes, we will not answer with vengeance, but with the eyes of those who rebuilt what they destroyed. We vow never again to trade children's trust for authority's comfort, never again to call cruelty virtue, never again to confuse order with love, because we are the repair generation, and the story changes with us.